What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, man. I don't know what's a New Link there from New Link Production. So now I have some breaking news, people, and it's where the owner of Shades nightclub has passed away. Yeah, man, you don't know who them that say is the Jamaican Hugh Hefner, because this man is one of the longest man, if you don't know, run a nightclub in a Jamaica, people, and one of the most popular nightclubs in the whole Caribbean, where people just fly in to Jamaica just to go get a glimpse of what is all about Shades, because this is a club where many people talk about, people, and right now a lot of people in Ocho-Rios, you understand, and a lot of people who work with this man now, people, is in mourning because they can't believe that a giant in the nightclub business, people, and also a promoter who keep big show like Shades and the Beach, people, who also featuring top artists like Alkaline, Gage, Beenie Man, and plus several different other entertainers, people, has passed and gone right now. So now I'm just gonna read this article, people, and sure to know what really them say go on with the boss. So it is said that founder of world famous Shades nightclub has died. Jamaica's Hugh Hefner has died. Entertainment promoter Lloyd Cameron, 73, died at his residence in St. Ann on Wednesday evening after battling a long illness. Cameron was the founder of the world famous Shades nightclub and entertainment complex in Content near Ocho-Rios that has been in operation for almost 3 decades. The club showcased jaw-dropping after midnight live shows for local and international audiences. It also boasted a restaurant, limited accommodations, a jacuzzi, a VIP room, and a sports bar. Cameron was born in Jamaica but migrated to London as a youngster, where he worked for many years as an executive administrator at the Public Works Department. John was star. After returning to Jamaica, he established his first nightclub, the Dolphin, in Highgate, St. Mary. He later relocated to Ocho-Rios, where he bought the Wiki Waki Club and converted it to an all-night pleasure palace where tourist tour buses will pull up for drinks and the late show. We have lost an icon in the adult entertainment industry, Winston Carter, the executive manager at Shades, told News. The calm, quiet, and easygoing giant was widely respected locally and internationally, and he has impacted the lives of thousands at home and abroad, Carter added. From the time, Cameron and his unusual nightclub were lavish with stories from international magazines. Tourists will arrive by the busloads after 11 o'clock to be a part of the experience that was Shades nightclub. Hugh Hefner founded Playboy and Lloyd Cameron founded Shades, a frequent patron of the nightclub in the 90s, told the News. One of Cameron's peeves in the local entertainment industry was what he termed the hypocritical reluctance of liquor companies to sponsor events that were hosted by his club. Despite the fact that Shades generated big bucks in annual beverage sales, this hurdle did not deter his effort, as he often hosted on and off side celebratory events. Most notable was the club's anniversary beach party that was always featured premium reggae artists. Shades say they will continue operations as were the wishes of Cameron. COVID-19 conditions permitting, send-off plans for Lloyd Cameron will be announced at a later date. John O'Star. It's a really sad one, people, because I know this man in personal, you understand, and I've been to Shades more than one occasions, people. It's where, a nice place where you can go chill, relax, but depends on the type of person you are, not everybody is a fan of this nightclub business, but for some people, they just go there because it's relaxing, it's safe, security is well safe there and everything, people. Some people go there on different nights for different purposes, different shows, because they have some night where you can just go there and relax, listen to the music, listen to the selector play, you understand? But people, this man was a man that was well loved as a year. A lot of people love him. As I tell you, he was a quiet, easygoing man, and it's a big loss, and many people will be mourning, and I just want to send out my condolences to everyone at Shades and to the whole works, one of the close man who work at Shades that I know for a very while now, one who work with this man from a very long time, who goes by the name of Chicken. So Chicken, big up yourself, know the thing go, and even the last time I was in Jamaica, people are going to give them a link and thing and check them up and thing, and it's just sad, people, because he never looked sick to me at the time, you know, but it's just sad to know that he has passed and gone. I just want to send out my condolences again to all the Shades family, the friends and everyone around the world who know this club and know this man. So rest in peace, Mr. Cameron, Jamaican UF now. Rest in peace. You don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is New Link from New Link Production, and we say attack, attack, peace, love, respect, and be good and be great. I'm out. Big up.